friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video BritleNet error Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, right click on Start menu, then click on Device Manager, extend here Display Adapter, then click on Graphics, click on Update, click on Search automatically for drivers. Then close it. Again right click on graphics, click on update driver, click on browse my computer for driver, click on let me pick from list, then select display adapter, click on next. Then close this window, go to the Windows 11 settings, click on Windows Update. If any update is pending, then update it from here. After finishing the update, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this you will fix BritleNet error in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.